Hello, my friends. Happy Easter. I hope you're well out there. I am actually having a cold right now, but it's okay. It's just a little cold. I think it can be cured with comforting food. So I stumbled upon this recipes called Italian wedding soups. You probably already know the Italian wedding soup. You can get it in supermarket in a can, but I want to make it from scratch. So this is very light. I think this is very good for this type of weather because the sun is coming up, the flowers blooming. You don't want something thick, but you want something comforting for your soul and something that can boost your immune system. So this is why I'm making this recipe. It's called minestra maritata in Italy, which means the married soup. It is the combinations between the broth, the vegetables, and the meat, that's making it a perfect blend, a perfect marriage. For this recipe, I am using minced chicken, but you can also use minced pork or beef or a combination between both of them, or minced turkey. Into your meat, you should add onions and garlics. You can use fresh ones or you can use garlic or onion powders. You didn't see I added the garlic and onions in this video because my breadcrumbs already have those ingredients. But if you use plain breadcrumbs, I would suggest to add the onions and garlics because that's what makes the flavors umami bomb. And finally, it is a perfect marriage. Minestra maritata, the wedding soup. Buon appetito!